Skylark. 352 barrel. Got a set of aftermarket valve covers on it. Kind of looks cool. It's not too shabby. 1970. I think this is going to be the last one, guys. We're going to go home. I'm about to starve. It's a nice looking shade of red. Nicely done. It's not too shiny. Looks very nice on this car.
And Grayson got used. I mean, he used it. And of course, have some drivers in there, but they'd also use it.
Beautiful car, guys.
Thank you.
That paint job is perfect. It ain't too shiny, but it's shiny. I like it. That's where it's supposed to be.
That came off the 2009 Ford Mustang.
Did it really?
Sangria red off the 2009 Ford Mustang.
How about that? You got
What color was the Buick Burgundy?
Yeah.
Which was a wine color.
Right.
No metallic.
God, yeah. That looks not like that. You did a good job.
Thanks.
It's a nice looking instrument cluster too, guys. I love that console down there. Very, very nice car. Good driver car right here. Hard to beat something like this. It really is. All right, folks, I think we're going to wrap it up.